All right, so we just bought more traffic to our rotator, right? So that's powerful. So we just bought more traffic. So traffic is going out from today, more traffic, right? So if you have not submitted your link to me, you are losing out, because we are going to send this traffic to your link for free. So that improves your chance of getting sales. And look, so we got more traffic today, and we're going to get another traffic. We're going to purchase more traffic by next week, right? So that our team members will get free traffic to their link. And that's what you want to quickly join. You want to quickly join this team so that you can start getting free traffic to your link immediately, and hopefully you get the sale, all right? So this is powerful. If you have been thinking of how to join the team, it's very, very simple. There's a link in the description above. You want to click that link and join the team builders. Look. Make sure you are using a brand new email address. I always say that, I keep saying that. And the reason is this. There are so many teams in the team builder system. So if you land in the wrong team, you lose. Because if you are not in my team, there's no way I'm going to put you in the traffic rotator, right? So you want to make sure you land on my team. So what you want to do, I always say this, use a brand new email address. That's my own suggestion. You can do whatever you like, right? But use a brand new email address. Go to the link in the description or in my profile. Join Team Builders. It's just a one-time setup fee. That is it. We want only permanent team builders, right? So you only pay one-time setup fee. There's no monthly fees. And then you join Team Builders, right? Now, once you join Team Builders, all you need to send to me is your Team Builders link. And then I'm going to just plug you into the free traffic rotator, and then just start sending traffic to your link like that, right? So that's all. We made sure making money online is simple. We don't want to complicate anything, right? Because when you check out there, it's very complex, right? So many ideas, so many people saying so many things, but all the training, all the thing, like some people will say, why am I giving free traffic instead of training people on traffic, right? Look, the team builder system, which is why we are promoting team builders, have all the traffic training you need. So I am not there to start training people, right? All I want, give me your link. Let me start giving you part of our traffic. That's all, for free. There is no complexity. You join the program, that's okay. Now, since you joined the program through my link, then I am going to promote your link for you for free continually, right? So, which is awesome. And that has helped me to make a lot of sales and has helped many members in our team to make sales also. And we have a lot of traffic already, but we want more, right? You can't have enough of traffic, right? So we want more. So that's why we keep purchasing more traffic so that we have more leads in our rotator, so that it gets to everybody. Now, luckily for us, right? Luckily for us, the team builder system is a high ticket system. So we are not expecting to have a lot of members, right? So we're only expecting few members. So it becomes easy for us to promote your business for you and for you to start making those awesome commissions, right? It's amazing. Now, let me go back to put the disclaimer, right? The disclaimer is this. We don't guarantee sales, and you know why, right? Because we are not God. We are not in the pocket of the buyer, and it is wrong for us to guarantee that you will definitely get sale today. It's wrong, right? So the only thing we can guarantee is that we are going to send free traffic to your link. We are going to build your list, and then hopefully you get those sales. Well, we are getting the sale, so we expect you to get sales too. We can't say today or tomorrow. You know what I mean, right? So, but we will continuously send traffic to your link, and hopefully you make those sales, especially the high ticket sale. Remember, team builders pay high ticket commission. So with team builders, you could earn commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. So this is powerful, right? So this is powerful. That's why we just keep sending the traffic, because that's the only way we can help brand new beginners, you know. So if you're having challenges, you've been online for a while, you are not getting sales, you are brand new, but you want to really make money online, you are having all those challenges of traffic, right? Because when I asked people before we started this team thing, all of them, the problem is traffic. It's not the problem of joining the business. That's why we don't have problem choosing team builders system, because it's just a very simple system. It's completely done for you. You get a full autoresponder of your own. You get a full web design, web system, everything done for you. So we know these things, right? That team builder just works. So that's why all we need to do is to promote the link. So that's why once you join team builders through the link in the description, you fall under my team, and then you just give me your link. That's all, your link. And then I start promoting your link for you for free. We run your business for you for free. How do you like that? Awesome, right? So if you think this is a great opportunity for you to grab thousands of dollars in free traffic over time, then what are you waiting for? Go to that link right now in the description, click the link and join Team Builders. Make sure that you are using a brand new email address. I keep saying that. I know why I say that, because don't come back to me and say you are not under my team. I've told you. All right, guys, I will see you again. If you have questions about team builders or our free traffic rotator system, go ahead, either leave it in the comment section or just privately DM me, right? And if you like this video, click the like button, click the share button, because we want this message to reach other people who are struggling to make money online. We want this message to reach them that now they have an opportunity to give me their link so that I promote their business for them for free. I'm not going to charge you a dime. I'm just going to keep sending traffic every day to your link, free of charge, guys. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.